was over, they thought I was finished, dog. Whole city jump behind me, now I get more racks than a tennis ball. And you know ain't no looking back. The streets brought the hustle out of me. I was sick of eating pot of meat. Ramen noodles all through the week. The struggle was ugly, made something out of
About to stop and gas up, man. Over the gas up, man. Pulling over the gas up. Brother-in-law. What you talking about this one? What you talking about this one, Quest? You were talking about this one? Yeah. Oh, okay, because I just typed in pilot and... Oh, yeah. Yeah, okay. I'm going on no more. Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm going to run in and through the bathroom right quick. right, fam. YouTube, back at the house, man. Back at the house. That was a good little ride right there, man. I'm ready to go take me a nap now, man. Yes, sir. Good little ride, man. So you see I done put Cayenne up. So now we gotta put all the stuff from up on the penny back over here on Cayenne side. So we gotta get ready for tomorrow, man. We having a cruise and break bread tomorrow, 11 o'clock. Gotta be at the Wolf Chase Mall. We're gonna be at Gus when they open at 12, man. So that's what we got for tomorrow. Hope y'all enjoyed the footage, man. You know how it be. You get there and get to talking and stuff, man. So I did get y'all a lot of trucks on there. Y'all saw the drone footage too. So hopefully y'all saw it, man. That was a free show. Free show, man. I don't know how long it's gonna be going on. How annually they gonna do it annually every year. They gonna continue to be free. I don't know, but I can see myself putting that down as one of the shows to go to every year. Because we actually been back. I was around there at Kevin's house trying to help him with something. But we've been back since about, a little bit after 4. So, what time we got together? We left out at 9 this morning to 4. I think that's pretty good. That's pretty good, man. That's pretty good. So, y'all stay humble, stay prayed up, man. Stay out the way. Get ready for the Cruise and Break Bread video. Drop it soon. Alright.
My Civic, I'm keeping it my Civic, I'm bouncing in my Civic, I'm riding in